In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Wix domain to HostPapa in a few simple steps. Let's get started by heading over to the HostPapa website. Open your browser and visit www.hostpapa.com/dashboard. This will take you to the login page of your HostPapa account. Once you're here, go ahead and enter your registered email and password in the corresponding fields, then click on the Login button. You should now be inside your HostPapa dashboard. Great. Now look for the section labeled Web Hosting. Under this section, we'll select My cPanel. This is where you'll find the tools necessary to manage your hosting account. Let's navigate through the cPanel now. Scroll down the page until you find the Zone Editor. Clicking here allows you to manage DNS records for your domains hosted with HostPapa. Once inside, you'll see a list of all domains you have. Find the domain you wish to connect and click the Manage button next to it. Here comes a crucial step. Within the Zone Editor, locate your HostPapa name servers. These are typically formatted like ns1hostpapa.com and ns2hostpapa.com or something similar. Make sure to copy these name servers, and we'll be using them shortly in our Wix dashboard. Now let's switch gears and open a new tab. Navigate to www.wix.com and log into your account. Once inside your Wix dashboard, look for Settings at the top or side menu, and from there, select Domains. This is where you'll see a list of all the domains you've registered or are managing through Wix. Select the domain that you wish to connect to HostPapa. After choosing the domain, look for the Advanced Settings, then click on Edit DNS or Name Servers. In this section, you're going to replace Wix's default name servers with the HostPapa name servers you just copied. Once you've entered the HostPapa name servers, click Save or Confirm to apply these changes. Remember, these DNS changes can take some time to propagate. It usually takes between 24 to 48 hours for the changes to fully connect globally, so a bit of patience is needed here. And that's it! When the DNS servers have updated, your Wix domain will be successfully pointing to your HostPapa hosting, allowing your website to be accessible on the HostPapa platform. If you encounter any issues during this process, don't hesitate to reach out to the support teams at Wix or HostPapa for assistance. Thanks for following along, and happy hosting!